in the shop today. I started doing a video and the GoPro died because I completely forgot to put a new battery on it. We had all kinds of heat going. I'm sure that little bit will be in here, but we got down here this morning. Brad's in really loud. Got down here this morning and it was like 42 down here. It was cold. It was cold, cold. It was cold enough for Brad to start worrying about heat because normally he don't care. He just goes to work because he's not cold natured like I am. But anyway, so he got the torpedo heater, got that one going, got the wall unit, and then I got the wood heater going. So now the wood heater's going, and we got this one right here on one brick. That one over there, she's kind of circulating everything. It's 72 degrees in here, so we got to heat it up warm and comfy. I've got a short sleeve shirt on, so that tells you it's pretty warm. And Brad is sweating, so that tells you which. He sweats when it's 55, so that's not saying a whole lot, but he's working on this little, what is this, like fender type deal? Brake, huh?
This is another crush panel.
Crush panel.
That's what I'd call it.
So this little piece here, what he's working on, is going inside there just to kind of keep mud and everything from getting up in there. So he's working on that one, and then he's got to get that one as well fixed because that one's pretty rough. But he also, while the camera was dead and it was charging, he got the bumper and everything cut off. So she's looking a little naked up here, but that's what it was dealing with. Was that broke like that, baby? Huh?
Huh?
Was that broke like that?
Yeah, pretty much.
You had to cut it just a little bit?
I didn't cut that off.
Oh, you didn't cut that?
When I cut the bumper off, it broke down.
So that was holding on by a thread. It was real bent in, and when he cut it off, it broke and came out. So it was definitely in need of a bumper. We've got that bumper right over here. He's gonna have to do some fabbing and get that up there, but he'll be able to do it. He's a good fabricator. Still over here working on this piece. Just chipping away at it. Just cut it till it fits, huh, babe? This is the first time Brad's ever done one of these cars, so.
My car, I just welded it in Bondo when I had one.
You what?
I said my Camaro, I just welded it in Bondo.
Huh.
We didn't have sheet metal on that car.
Right. They probably didn't allow sheet metal at that time, did they?
They was starting to.
Yeah.
But you had to use metal. You couldn't use aluminum.
Right, but what would that have been in like 04, 05?
Somewhere around. Yeah.
Yeah, because you graduated in 09?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you were 14 when you started racing, so yeah, probably around 05, 05, 06, 04. So that's how long Brad's been racing, since, what would you say, 05?
I had a car.
Yeah, had a car since 05, but didn't really start racing until 12.
Competitive.
Yeah, competitively. Every week, pretty much. And Moo is inside with his mom again. She gets bored out here. So snacks in there. She likes to eat constantly. I don't know how we keep her fed. Alright, so we had to take a lunch break, went to Arby's, and now we're back. So I was working on this little piece right here. This one over here turned out really, really good. It looks awesome. And the strength that this gave this door, like it's not going anywhere now. So that one looks really good. So now he's just working on this one here. reason to him wanting to do that, trying to get some of that away, is of course the weight part of it, but also just because everything will mount much better if it's not just all kinds of junk just there. So trying to get that away, because like I showed you on the other door, that added a whole lot of strength to that door, just doing that little piece there. So he's hoping that that's what he's going to be able to achieve over here as well. All right, update. He got that piece in there. It looks fantastic. He's already got the tires on the ground. So now the project is to work on the front bumper and the nose. I don't think we're going to quite get finished with it today, but we're going to get as far today as we can possibly get done, and then finish it up the first of the week. We've got some family gatherings and stuff this weekend, so we won't be able to work on it throughout the weekend, but we'll get back to work on it the first of the week. It's Christmas time.
Clamp that together.
All right, hold on. Working on this one together. He's worked on a bunch of noses over the years, but have you ever worked on one of these?
Can't say I have.
First time for everything, isn't there, babe?
That's right. It's a 5-star product. No matter how you look at it.
Sure enough. This car is gonna look completely different. Now, when he brought it to us, what he wanted was just the doors on both sides and the front fixed. So that's what we've done. None of this we've done anything to. And then also the little fenders here, he didn't do anything to these. Now this one over here, he did beat out just a little bit, just to where he could get this a little bit flatter. And like I said, this one is so strong. It's stout right there. So I don't think we're gonna have any issues with that. It's looking sporty. It's looking good. Once we get this nose on, it'll really look sporty. Alright, so the refabbing is going on. Alright, so it's welded in. Now he's gonna have to put the bumper on and then build a little bit of a sheet metal, what do you call that thing, babe?
Like a filler piece?
Like a filler panel type deal for the gap there, because this nose isn't technically supposed to go on this car. This is just what they wanted to do, and there are people that run this nose, so it can be done. But they had run the 4-piece nose in the past and just weren't happy with it, because every time it got in a little bit of a fender bender or whatever it may be, it messed it up. So that's why they wanted to go with this one. Good looking weld right there. Welded all the way around. Alright guys, so that's gonna finish us up today. He's got the bumper ready. Still got to get the nose on. Got the sides. Nothing's changed there. He did get it on the ground because he got these little crush panels done. So that's gonna finish us up today on Friday. We're done in the shop for tonight. We're gonna go have supper, and then the rest of the weekend we've got Christmas stuff going on, so we won't be back in the shop until Monday of next week. We'll finish this thing up hopefully and get it back to its rightful owner. But we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks to all of our partners: Warp Speed Performance Parts, Barry Apparel Co., Allsouth Signs and Graphics by BB Designs, BB Designs, KT Heating and Air, Fatdaddys Crew out of Lafayette, Indiana, Hammers Grading, Penske Racing Shocks, Brinn Transmission, and Vinson Race Engines. Thanks to all of those guys that make all this possible. The last 2 videos I've left out a sponsor or 2, and I apologize greatly for that. Haven't made videos in a while and kind of get a little bit rusty, but appreciate you guys watching. We hope you guys have enjoyed these videos. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think. Check out all of our different social medias. We're on Facebook, Days of Dirt with Bradbury Racing, TikTok, The Rockledge Rocket, Patreon, Days of Dirt with Bradbury Racing, and then we're on Instagram, and I think Instagram may be Days of Dirt with Bradbury Racing. If it's not, it's The Rockledge Rocket. So we're on all platforms except for Twitter. We don't do Twitter, but hope you guys have a great weekend, and if you don't watch any more of our videos until after Christmas, Merry Christmas. We hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a safe holiday.